small celebration pala. Una, first birthday ni Leoch. Secondly, it's Paxo. Ano ba yun? Paxo pagkabuha. Ano, Easter Sunday. Sige. Pasko ng pagkabuhay. Sorry, nabulol ako. Alright, now, at this point in time, I'd like to call on all of the kids who are here. Sino yung mga bata? Lapit kayo dito sa harap. Please. Yung mga bata, yung mga kids, come forward. Because you will all together be singing a happy birthday song for Leoch. So, lapit mo na. Kahit may ice cream kayong dala, that's not quite a problem. Just come forward. Yung mga bata. Lapit. Ayaw. Ayaw nyo? Taray. Joke lang. Come on. Come forward, yung mga kids. Alright, come forward. Yan. Alam niyo po, kung feel niyo bata pa kayo, you can definitely come forward. Ako, bata pa ako, kaya ako nandito sa harapan eh. Come on, come on. Don't be shy. Alright, come forward. Yan. Now that everybody's here, syempre, bago tayo start ng mga games, kailangan kumanta muna tayo ng happy birthday. Marunong ba kayo kumanta ng happy birthday song? Paano kayo kakanta? May mga nakasalpak na ice cream. Anyway, hindi lang naman mga kids ang pagkakantahin ko, but everybody who is here as well. Ladies and gentlemen, kids, join me in singing a happy birthday song for the birthday celebrant Leoch. Here goes the music. Sing with me, everybody. Sing! Happy to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Clap our hands! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sing it loud, kids. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Lakas pa! Happy birthday to you. Come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause. The first birthday celebration of Leoch. Okay, thank you. Kids, pwede na kayong maupo muna. Yan, thank you. To sing a birthday song. I am not here as well to give you a sermon, but I am here to execute some. Po akong box dito na maraming laman. Nakikita nyo ba? Kita nyo? Itataas ko, baka hindi nyo kita eh. Kuya Art, patulong ha. Mabay ka. Yan, tataas ko. Nakikita nyo ba lahat ito? Pag hina naman ang sagot, parang gutom. Nakikita nyo ba? That's much better. These are not for me or my assistant. Ito ay para sa kayo. Sa inyo, sino gusto mag-uwi ng maraming prizes ngayong hapon? Taas ang paa. Ay, kamay. Taas ang kamay. Huwag mahiya. Taas pa. Ang hindi magtaas ng kamay, walang Rexona. Very good. Sino ang gustong maglaro ng games this afternoon? Hands up. Okay, very good. Hands up. If you want to win these prizes, then you have to play my games. Not only my games, but the games that we have. Mommy and Daddy has also prepared for you. By the way, pakilala muna. Kilala niyo na ba ako? Who knows my name? May prize na kagad. 100.
Kuya Billy.
Okay, pakilala lang ako. My name is Billy. And I'm your host for today. I'm your magician for today. I'm your bubble maker. Ay, bubble. Balloon twister pala. And also your puppeteer. Kasi mamaya meron akong guest puppet who is going to sing a song for the birthday celebrant Leoch and for everybody who is here. Okay, to start with, I am going to play a game wherein everybody is a contestant. Okay, lahat contestant sa game na ito. Alam niyo ba yung bring the game? Wala akong kausap. Alam niyo ba yung bring the game? Alam niyo? Okay, that's what we're going to play. Pero, gagawin ko ang kakaiba. Very common na po kasi. Minsan nakahanda na, hindi pa tinatawag. So, what I'm going to do is, I am not going to specify kung ano yung mga ipapadala ko sa inyo. Sa halip, huhulaan nyo. I have 8 items in mind. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to explain each item that I have in mind. Kapag sinabi kong go, tandaan niyo kapag sinabi kong go, so you have to go pong go, tsaka nyo lamang hahanapin yun, and you have to be the first one to bring me that something. Now, saan nyo nga ba naman hahanapin yun? Kailangan nyo pa ba bumaba? No, of course not. You can definitely look it from somebody who's with you, from your mom, from your dad, from your tito, your tita, your lolo, your lola, your ate, your kuya, whoever's with you. Pwede nyo hiramin sa kanila. And of course, if you'll be the first one to bring me that something, you are already an instant winner. Kaya isang tanong lang sa inyong lahat na taga rito. Magandang hapon. Game na ba kayong lahat? Very good. Let's start with this item that I have in mind. 8 item. Pagkadala-dala nyo ito. Ito po ay importante at ginagamit ng lahat ng tao. If you go to the office, you have to have this one. If you are going to school, you must also have this one. This is something made out of paper. Sometimes it's made out of plastic. It has your signature and your picture. Go! Be the first one na makapagdala ito. May premyo na. Bilis! Bilis! Ano ito? Yes! Go ahead! Lahat kayo, prinsesa! Okay, ang galing naman ni Mami. Ma'am, palakpakan naman natin. Oh. Bakit nauna pa yung Mami? Dapat na bata, pero congratulations na ang ice cream. Ako na kayo ng ice cream. Alright, congratulations. Next! Alright, next one. Sa tiyatang madali yung idea, no? Kapag summer, kailangan meron ka nito. Dahil sa init ng panahon, madalas masiraw ang iyong mga mata. Go! Ano ito? May sinusunod mo ba? Phoebe. The correct answer is a pair of sunglasses. May pareho ng sunglass ng anak ko to. Alright, congratulations. Palakpakan nyo naman si Phoebe. Don't worry, may 6 pang items. Next one. Ito naman ay ginagamit ng mga bata. You know, if you have kids as small as baby like Leons, kailangan meron kayo nito. You know why? Most of the times, pag umalis tayo ng bahay, nagugutom si baby. Pag nagutom si baby, dito tinitimpla ang kanyang milk. Go! Ang bilis! Wala pa pong 5 segundo ay narinig na. Okay. Correct answer is a feeding bottle. You're my third winner. How do you pronounce your name? Aliza? Aliza. Palakpakan nyo si Aliza. Congratulations. Okay, akin ito. Okay, joke lang. Don't worry. Ang ina yung panaglo. May 5 items pa. O, ito pakinig na mabuti Kinig kayo buti kasi it's very catchy. Alright? In the earlier times, only men were allowed to drive. Ngayon, kahit 16 years old pa lang, nagta-drive na. Makinig muna, wala pang ko. Kapag kayo nagta-drive, kailangan nyo to. Cannot start the car. Go!